Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I want to share a kind of a more personal story with you today. It's about my mom and how she suffered for years with something doctors couldn't explain. This isn't just her story though. It's a story of hope for anyone feeling lost in their health journey. We're going to talk about what changed everything for her. For years, my mom was suffering, and it was heartbreaking to watch. She wasn't just a little tired, she was profoundly exhausted, the kind of tired that just steals your life. She had bloating that made her look pregnant, skin rashes that appeared out of nowhere, and brain fog so thick that she'd lose her words. Doctors ran every test, but everything came back normal, leaving her feeling dismissed and hopeless. This went on for so long, and it felt like nobody had answers. But her story is just the beginning of understanding a much bigger problem. Everything changed when she started digging into something called leaky gut. As I started researching more, it was like a light bulb went off. I saw my mom in every single symptom: the bloating, the fatigue, the skin issues, the brain fog, even new food sensitivities. It all clicked. I called her up and I just knew that I had found the missing piece. That phone call was a turning point and it set us on a path to healing. Now let's really break down exactly what leaky gut is. Think of your gut lining as a fortress, a really smart barrier that lets good stuff in and keeps bad stuff out. It has these tiny little gates that open for nutrients but stay closed for toxins and undigested food. But with leaky gut, these gates get damaged and stretched open, letting all the bad stuff flood into your bloodstream. This triggers your immune system, causing inflammation everywhere, and that's when all these mysterious symptoms start popping up. It's a condition that's far more common than most doctors realize, and it really can explain so much. And it's why so many people feel like they have a mystery illness. And that's the thing, leaky gut often disguises itself as so many other problems, making it incredibly hard to diagnose. People are often told they're fine because standard tests don't catch it, but the symptoms are very real. Things like chronic bloating, skin flare ups, brain fog, constant fatigue, mood swings, and even joint pain can all be signs. My mom, she had all 7 of these symptoms, and for years, they were just dismissed. It's a powerful example of how this condition can hide in plain sight. So, what causes this fortress to break down in the first place? So my mom had all these symptoms and doctors kept saying she was fine. But we know now that leaky gut was a real culprit and it doesn't just happen overnight. This condition, it builds up over time from things that we encounter every single day, things like inflammatory foods, the kind of stuff that's in so much of what we eat nowadays, and chronic stress, which we all deal with, which and just really messes with your gut. Even common medications like the ibuprofen my mom took for years can damage that delicate gut lining. My mom checked every single one of these boxes, and that's why her gut was so compromised. But understanding these causes is just the first step in fixing it. Now, after understanding what causes leaky gut, let's talk about what's actually breaking down. Deep inside your gut, there's this amazing layer called the gut mucosa. It's like your body's unsung hero, really. This sticky protective lining does so much. It absorbs nutrients, blocks bad stuff, and even talks to your immune system. When it's healthy, your body just works better. But when it breaks down, that's when inflammation starts spreading everywhere. So, healing leaky gut means we have to rebuild this crucial mucose lining from the inside out. And that's where the right herbs and nutrients come in, giving this hero the support it needs. So once I understood what was happening to my mom's gut and how important that mucosa layer is, I know that we needed a real plan. So I spent months digging into the research, looking for the most powerful evidence-backed herbs and nutrients. I put together a protocol, a specific list of things, and I told her, Mom, just try this for 90 days. She was definitely skeptical. She tried so many things before, but she trusted me enough to give it a shot. And what happened next? Well, it was truly remarkable. Let's dive into each one of these powerhouses, and I'll explain exactly why and how they work. First on the list, zinc, and it's a real workhorse for your gut. Think of zinc as a repair crew that comes in to tighten up those leaky junctions in your gut lining. Your body can't make it, but it's absolutely vital for healing and immune function. Studies have actually shown that zinc helps seal up those gaps in the gut, even for people with serious conditions like Crohn's. For my mom, this was one of the first things that made a difference. Within just a few weeks, her bloating started to ease and her digestion felt more settled than it had in years. It was clear sign that her gut was finally getting the help that it needed. And it brings us to our next powerhouse, quercetin. So after zinc started to help my mom's bloating, we moved on to quercetin, which is another incredible ally for gut health. This powerful plant compound found in everyday foods like apples and onions does so much more than just act like an antioxidant. It actually helps seal up those gut barrier even further and calms down that immune system's overreaction. Research shows it improves gut function and even helps diversify your gut microbes, which is huge for reducing inflammation. Quercetin also tackles histamine, which often causes those allergy like symptoms in people with leaky gut. For my mom, her mysterious skin rashes, which doctors had just dismissed as allergies, started to fade within the first month. It was truly amazing to see. Next, we'll talk about L-glutamine, another critical nutrient. So after calming the immune system with quercetin, we need to give my mom's gut the fuel that it desperately needed. L-glutamine is like the superfood for intestinal cells. It's what they use to repair themselves. When your gut is damaged, it's actually starving for this stuff. My mom's energy had been so low for years, and I realized her gut had just couldn't rebuild without this essential amino acid. Giving her L-glutamine was like finally giving her gut the building blocks that it needed to heal. Next, we looked for something to soothe and rebuild from the inside out. So after fueling the gut with L-glutamine, we needed something to actively soothe and rebuild. Most people think of aloe vera for sunburns, right? But internally, it's incredible for the gut. It literally helps maintain those tight junctions that get leaky. I had my mom start adding aloe vera juice to her morning routine. She had this burning sensation in her stomach after meals for so long, and within weeks, it was just gone. It was such a relief for her, but sometimes you need an extra layer of protection, which brings us to our next herb. Aloe vera was great for soothing, but sometimes the gut needs a literal bandage. That's where slippery elm comes in. This herb forms a thick gel-like substance when mixed with water. It coats the entire digestive tract, protecting it like a natural shield. My mom had chronic nausea, especially around mealtimes, and it was really impacting her quality of life. Slippery elm helped wrap her irritated gut lining, giving it a chance to calm down and heal. But even with all this protection, inflammation can still be a huge problem. So MSM is a powerful anti-inflammatory that works throughout the body, including deep in the gut. My mom had been taking ibuprofen for years for joint pain, which ironically was making her gut worse. MSM helped reduce that systematic inflammation, which was a huge step in the right direction. It was like putting out the fire that was constantly damaging the gut lining. But we also needed to tackle the bad bacteria that were causing so much trouble. So we calmed down the inflammation with MSM, and now we had to deal with the root cause of some of the damage, harmful bacteria. N-acetyl D-glucosamine, or NAG, is fascinating because it actually disrupts the protective shields called biofilms that bad bacteria create. These biofilms make it really hard to get rid of the harmful stuff. By breaking them down, NAG helps rebalance the gut and allows the lining to heal without that constant attack. My mom's bloating and gas, which were her most embarrassing symptoms, started to dramatically reduce. Next, we looked at another herb that offers both protection and calming effects. Marshmallow root is a total game changer, especially with those strange allergy-like reactions that my mom kept having. It was like a gentle shield for the gut, and it really helped calm things down. This herb, like slippery elm, creates a protective gel that coats the gut lining. It also helps reduce inflammation and histamine, which is huge for leaky gut sufferers. My mom's mysterious sneezing and itchy eyes, which doctors couldn't explain, started to disappear as her gut healed. It was really amazing to see. Now, if you're rebuilding a wall, you need the right bricks and mortar, right? Mucin is like that essential mortar for your gut. It's the stuff that makes your protective mucus layer thick and strong. So when your gut is leaky, that layer gets worn down, leaving you vulnerable. Supplementing with mucin helps rebuild that crucial protective layer. My mom's digestion became so much smoother, and foods that used to cause her distress were suddenly okay again. It really showed how important that protective layer is. And it's a great lead into our next herb, which also helps with calming the gut. Chamomile. Chamomile actually helps stabilize the intestinal barrier and improves overall gut health. Plus, it calms the nervous system, which is key because stress really messes with your gut. My mom started drinking chamomile tea every night, and not only did her sleep improve, but her anxiety eased and her gut started to calm down too. It's a gentle but mighty herb, and it brings us to another powerful anti-inflammatory one, cat's claw. This is more of an exotic coming from the Amazon, but it's a powerhouse for fighting inflammation in the gut. This was crucial for my mom because her inflammation was so persistent. It really helps reduce that deep chronic gut inflammation that often gets missed by conventional medicine. Its compounds actually help modulate the immune response, which is a big deal for your immune system because it's overreacting from that leaky gut. My mom's constant abdominal ache, which doctors call IBS, finally started to fade. And speaking of powerful gut healers, our final herb, citrus pectin, is next. It's not just for lowering cholesterol, it's an amazing for sealing up that leaky gut barrier. Pectin acts as a prebiotic, feeding all of those good bacteria in the gut. Those good bacteria then produce compounds that nourish and repair your gut lining. My mom's digestion became incredibly regular, which was a huge relief after years of unexplainable and unpredictable issues. It really brought everything together, showing how these herbs work in concert to help heal the gut. So after going through each one of these herbs, I want to bring it back. I still remember that phone call 90 days after that she started this protocol. She called me and her voice was just different. She said, I don't know what happened, but I feel like myself again. The bloating, the rashes, the brain fog, it was all gone. She was sleeping. She had energy. She was living again. And it wasn't just about feeling better. It was about thriving. It showed me that when you understand the root cause and give your body the right tools, it can truly heal itself. And that brings me to a quick overview of all of these powerful ingredients that we went over today. So, each one plays a vital role in healing the gut. Zinc tightens those leaky junctions, while quercetin seals the barrier and calms inflammation. L-glutamine fuels the cells, and aloe vera soothes and rebuilds. Slippery elm and marshmallow root coat protect like a natural bandage. MSM and cat's claw tackle that deep inflammation, and N-acetyl D-glucosamine disrupts harmful bacteria. Mucin rebuilds that protective layer. Chamomile calms the gut and stress, and citrus pectin feeds good bacteria while sealing the barrier. This isn't just some random list, it's a targeted approach to gut healing. Now, you might be wondering, what do you do with all this information? So if my mom's story of any of these symptoms sound familiar to you or someone you know, please share this. Leaky gut is so often misunderstood and millions are suffering without answers. The gut is truly the foundation for your health. When it's broken, everything else starts to break down too. But the amazing thing is when you give it what it needs, it heals. So if this resonates with you, start with these 12 herbs and nutrients. Give your body 90 days, be consistent, and watch what happens. You might just be making a phone call of your own very soon, sharing your own transformation. So thanks for watching. Please share this with somebody who needs it. Spread the word, subscribe, and we'll see you for that next video.